Ally Checking Account Review 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how online banking has evolved in 2025. Ally Checking promises no monthly fees, easy access, and robust digital tools, but is it right for you? The surprising truth is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking online banks are complicated. Ally offers free access to over 43 zero ATMs nationwide, mobile check deposit, and instant transfers between accounts, making everyday banking effortless. One major advantage is cost savings. You won't believe what happens next when you see there are no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements, and reimbursement for some out-of-network fees. Automatic savings and budgeting tools help users optimize finances. Ally Checking also provides strong security with encryption, fraud monitoring, and two-factor authentication. The mobile app includes bill pay, transaction alerts, and easy account management, ideal for tech-savvy users. However, there are cons. Some users may miss in-person branch support. Customer service, while responsive online, may not meet preferences for face-to-face interactions. Some advanced banking features, like loans or investments, require separate Ally products. In conclusion, Ally Checking in 2025 is perfect for users seeking no-fee, digitally focused banking with easy access and robust financial tools. While branch absence and advanced service limitations exist, the combination of cost savings, convenience, and security makes it a compelling choice for modern banking.